All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about not prejudging your customer. It's not your money, but it's your job to check out their car. All right, so one of the things I've seen for years in this business is, and I'm guilty of it too, so I can point the finger back at me too, is you pull in a car, it's nasty, it's leaking, it's all sorts of problems with it, and you like, oh man, this customer ain't gonna buy nothing, why am I wasting my time? And you write up a huge ticket and they do a chunk of it. Why? Because nobody told them before they needed that work. Why? Because everybody before you prejudged that customer. Simple as that. Too many times, technicians, again, me included, pulling a car, you're like, I'm just going to write it up for what it came in for, screw the rest, no, write it up. Why? One, CYA, cover your butt. Two, they might buy it. You never know. The other side of that is when customers come in with major issues on their car, needs an engine. I've got a truck down in the hole right now that blown head gasket, wrote it up actually I had Bam Bam write it up because he'd the one be doing a head gasket, not me. I had Bam Bam write it up for a head gasket because you never know what a customer's going to do. It's their money, their vehicle. Let them make the decision. It's their money, not yours. I don't know what to tell you. Sometimes you just gotta sit there and take your time, write up a car right, and roll the dice and see what sells. Again, it's their car, not yours. It's their money, not yours. Now we all agree sometimes there's a car that just should be put out of its misery. Around here in Atlanta, I've told the service writer a couple times, these people should get rid of this car and drive MARTA, because MARTA is our train and bus system here in Atlanta, because they honestly shouldn't be owning a car as poorly as they treat it. That was after, by the way, they declined a bunch of needed repairs. So don't prejudge, but definitely cover your butt, write up everything the car needs. You never know what you're going to get. When you're a flat rate technician, sometimes you get in a rut where you're not selling a whole lot, and then you compound the issue by you get so out of it in your head that you write up less and less and less because you're just gotten beat up. So stay motivated, keep checking cars out. You never know what you're gonna get. It's like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. So get out there, write those cars up, make you some hours. So thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.